Which 85-inch TV is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Insignia 85-inch F50 series. The Insignia 85-inch class F50 series is one of the more affordable options on this list, coming in at around $549.99. What caught my attention is its integration with Fire TV, making it super easy to access all your favorite streaming services. If you want a solid TV for an unbeatable price, this is worth a serious look. The 4K Ultra HD resolution means you can actually zoom in and see details without losing clarity, which is perfect for those movie nights or sports games where you want every play to pop. Plus, with HDR10, the contrast and color range are impressive, bringing more vibrancy to your viewing experience. And let's not forget the Fire TV features. Over 1.8 million movies and shows at your fingertips, with tons of free content available. Now, some people complained about the sound quality not being on par with higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to pair it with a soundbar or a home theater system, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. The Insignia is a fantastic entry-level option. This is perfect for you if you want a basic, budget-friendly smart TV without bells and whistles. Skip this one if you're an audiophile who needs top-tier sound quality. For its price, it's hard to beat. Now, if the Insignia sound issue bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its audio capabilities. Product number 2. Samsung 85-inch U8000H. Next up is the Samsung 85-inch class U8000H, priced at $898. This model stands out with its crystal processor, which enhances colors and sharpens details for a truly vibrant 4K experience. If you want stunning visuals and a user-friendly smart platform, this is definitely worth a look. The real magic here is the 4K upscaling, which improves lower resolution content to look fantastic on that big screen. You won't miss a single detail during your favorite shows or games. Plus, the motion accelerator technology is a game changer for sports fans, providing clear visuals without blurring, even in fast-paced scenes. With over 2,700 free streaming options, you'll never run out of things to watch. However, some users pointed out that the viewing angles aren't great, meaning colors can wash out if you're sitting off to the side. But honestly, if you're planning to set this TV up in a main viewing area, it's likely not going to be an issue. This TV still delivers solid performance overall. This is perfect for you if you want a bright, colorful display that looks good in most lighting. Skip this if you plan to watch from extreme angles. For the price, it offers fantastic clarity and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your viewing experience. Product number 3. Hisense 85-inch E6 Cinema Series. Now, let's talk about the Hisense 85-inch E6 Cinema Series, priced at $799.99. This one caught my eye because it combines a sleek design with some impressive tech features. If you want a great mix of performance and value, you should definitely consider this TV. The high QLED technology enhances every frame, bringing out colors that are rich and lifelike, which is especially nice for movies with lots of vivid visuals. Plus, with Dolby Vision and Atmos, you're getting cinema-quality sound and picture right in your living room. The AI light sensor is also a cool feature, automatically adjusting brightness based on the room's lighting, which saves energy and optimizes viewing. But I got to be real with you. Some users complained about the user interface being a bit clunky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the overall picture and sound quality really make up for that minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you want cinematic quality at home without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're someone who needs an ultra-intuitive interface. For what you get, it's a solid buy. Now, if you're serious about gaming or want something even more high-end, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4. Hisense 85-inch U7 Mini LED. Next up is the Hisense 85-inch U7 Mini LED, a more premium choice at $1,499.99. This model is built with gamers in mind, and honestly, it really surprised me with its features. If you want the best gaming experience on a big screen, Keep watching. The native 165Hz refresh rate is a standout feature that ensures fluid motion, perfect for fast-paced gaming or sports. With over 3,000 local dimming zones, you can expect incredible contrast and details even in the darkest scenes. Plus, the anti-reflection technology means you won't lose picture quality with bright lights in the room. This TV offers a truly immersive experience thanks to its high QLED Mini LED Pro technology. However, some users felt it was a bit pricey for non-gamers. Here's the thing. If you're mainly using it for regular viewing, you might want to consider less expensive options. But for gamers, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a serious gamer looking for top performance. Skip this if you're just watching TV casually. For gamers, it's a top-tier choice. And now, for something that balances performance and everyday viewing, product number 5, LG 85-inch NU 85 series. Finally, we have the LG 85-inch class Nano AI 4K NU 85 series, which retails at $899.99. This TV is all about delivering a premium viewing experience with its AI-powered features. If you want to bring the cinema home, this one is definitely worth checking out. The Nano Detail Enhancer works wonders, fine-tuning textures and enhancing contrast to make everything pop. You'll notice details that other TVs might overlook. The HDR10 Pro feature adjusts brightness dynamically, offering crisp, vivid colors whether it's a bright or dark scene. Plus, the filmmaker mode preserves the director's vision, giving you a true cinematic experience. But I'll be honest, some users reported issues with the smart interface being a bit slow. Here's why I don't think that's a deal breaker. The picture quality is outstanding, and if you're mainly watching for the visuals, you'll forgive the occasional lag. This is perfect for you if you love watching films as they were meant to be seen. Skip this if you need lightning-fast app navigation. Considering the picture quality, it's a strong contender. In conclusion, we've covered a range of incredible options. From budget-friendly to premium choices, there's something here for everyone looking to enhance their home viewing experience. So, to recap, the Insignia offers great value for those on a budget, while the Samsung provides vibrant colors and a smooth experience. The Hisense E6 strikes a balance between performance and price, and the U7 is a top choice for gamers. Lastly, the LG NU 85 focuses on delivering a cinematic experience. Depending on your needs, any one of these could be a fantastic addition to your home.